welcome to chemistry class with please. Still on alternative B, practical examination. So here is my predicted question to the exam, and then we are going to solve the question. B is a solution containing 6.30 grams of oxalic acid. E contains 0.02 mole per dm cube of potassium permanganate. The equation of the reaction, here is the equation of the reaction. Put E into the burette, prepare 25 cm cube of D into a conical flask and add about 10 cm cube of dilute H2SO4. Heat the mixture and titrate it with E. Repeat the titration and A. Tabulate your reading and find the average titre value. B. Calculate the concentration of D in mole per dm cube. C. Calculate the concentration of E in gram per dm cube. D. Find the value of S. If you are coming across my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share this video so that other students will also benefit from it. So first of all, the first one, solution. They say tabulate your reading, so we are going to tabulate our reading to get the average volume of acid. So at this point now, make sure we are going to tabulate our reading. And if you have not watched the video I made on how to calculate the theoretical value, from there we got the theoretical value to be 25 centimeter cube. So I'm going to work within that range. You must not get that value, but it should just be within that range. It should not be far from that. So I'm going to use the 25.4 centimeter cube. So look at what I will do. Direct reading. Final reading. Initial reading. Remember that the unit must be in centimeter cube. Then volume of acid. Still in centimeter cube. Okay. So then what I'm going to have now, we have rough. We have our rough first titre and second titre. And second titre. Then the initial, that's where you write where you start from. You can start from anywhere. So to me, for the first one, I'm starting at 0.00. Your titre, your table must be in 2 decimal places, and also make sure you write the unit centimeter cube. So now I have 0.00. Consider 5.50. Then okay. If you are tabulating your reading, make sure that the values are within the range plus or minus 0.2. It should not be far from that. Now I'm going to use the first and the second titre value to get my average titre value. So average titre value. Average titre value is equal to first plus second and divided by 2. So I'm going to have 25.50 plus 25.60 divided by 2. And that is giving me 25.55 centimeter cube. So that is to say that B is equal to 25.55 centimeter cube. That is for our BE. Then the first question says calculate the concentration of D in mole per dm cube. Calculate the concentration of D in mole per dm cube. And to answer that question, concentration of E. Concentration of D in mole per dm. We are using the formula CD VD over CE VE equal to ND over NE. So this is the formula that I'm going to use, and what we are looking for is what? The concentration of D in mole per dm cube. We are looking for this CD. So this is what we are looking for. We are going to make it the subject of the formula. I will clean that up to start from there. Okay, so we have this formula. So making that CD we have CD is equal to what? CE VE ND all over what? VE VD and ED. So this is what we have. Then we are going to substitute the value. Our CD is what we are looking for. Our CE, from the question, our CE is given to us as 0.02 mole per dm cube. Our BE is what we got from the average title value, which is 25.55 centimeter cube. The average title value, which is 25.55 centimeter cube. Then our NE, from the equation, our NE is 2. Our BD is the volume of the prepared fluid, which is 25 centimeter cube. The volume of the prepared fluid is our BD. Then our ND is equal to 5. From this is D and this is E. This is NE, this is ND. Now we are going to substitute the value in order to solve the question. Write this and tell us the answer you got. So looking at this now, we have 0.02 times, this is 25. 25.55. 25.55 times 5. Divided by 50. So we got 0.051 mole per dm cube. So we just got our CD to be 0.051 mole per dm cube. Then the next question now says calculate the concentration of E in gram per dm cube. The second question says calculate the concentration of E in gram per dm cube. So question says concentration of E in gram per dm cube. And to calculate it, we are just asked to calculate the mass concentration. So to calculate, we are going to use the formula mass concentration is equal to molar concentration times molar mass. And the molar concentration of E is given to us in the question as 0.02 mole per dm cube. Then the second one, molar mass. Molar mass of KMnO4 is equal to mass of potassium 39 plus 55 plus 16 times 4. Please use your calculator and tell us what you are going to get. (158 gram per mole). So our answer, let's substitute the value. We are going to have 0.02 times 158. And that will give us 3.16 gram per dm cube. So we just got the concentration of E in gram per dm cube as what? As 3.16 gram per dm cube. Then the next question says find the value of X. Find the value of X. So how do we find the value for X? This is X. We have to find this X in this. So how do we go about this? We are going to use